Okay, in our last class, we started discussing Python operators and we discussed arithmetic operators, right? Some of the arithmetic operators.
Yes.
And we did some examples for the addition and for the subtraction, for the multiplication, and for the division, okay?
Okay.
And then now we will actually uh, discuss some assignment operators, right? So assignment
Okay.
operators are also easy. We have also used these assignment operators. For example, uh, do you know what is this? What is the meaning of this?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the meaning of this?
It's a value. A name. It's just adding a value name.
Yeah, it means that X is a variable and its value is 5. Okay.
Yes.
So what is this symbol? What is this operator?
It's called equal.
It's generally called equal. Okay, in mathematics it is called equals.
Equal.
But in programming language this is called assignment operator. Okay,
Assignment operator.
assignment operator in programming languages like Python. It means that X is a variable
Okay.
and the value 5 has been assigned to X,
Okay.
right? The value 5 has been assigned to X.
Okay.
You can read it from right to left for understanding. Again, the value 5 has been assigned to variable X.
Yes.
Okay, so here is the list of operators. So this is the sign of assignment operator. Okay, and the example is X is a variable and 5 has been assigned to X. Okay, and it
Okay.
is same as X is equal to 5, like in mathematics, X is equal to 5. It is similar that 5 is a value and that value has been assigned to X. Okay, we can try it for better understanding. Like here, 5 is a value and it has been assigned to X. So, so this is equal to is actually an assignment operator. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, tell me that what will be the result when we print the variable X?
4.
4. Okay, right? And
Yes.
here is a tricky question. So, what will be the answer when we print this variable?
Error. I think so. It's going to make an error.
No, it will not make an error.
Will it make 5x still?
Okay, let me show you the result. The result will be 5. Okay,
Yes, I knew it.
but which 5? The bottom one or the upper one?
Bottom.
Yes, it's the bottom one. Okay, although the value is similar, but this is the latest value. Okay,
Yes, it is an update.
yeah, this is the latest. Okay. So what if we uh, write this?
Still 5.
So still 5. So 5 is a value and it has been assigned to X. And then there is a new variable, its name also X, and its value will be 5. Right? Right?
5x.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are some of the interesting actually examples, right? So what will be the result of this one?
It is going to make 5
Oh,
because it won't follow that instead of follow the x.
yeah, because the value of x is 5, right? So
Yes, but there isn't a print y.
although we have created another variable, but no problem. The value of x is still 5, right?
Yes.
And what will be the result of this one?
Uh, 10?
What? 10?
Yes, 10.
Yes, 10. Right. And what will be the result of this one?
5 again.
Yes, it's 5 again. So it means 5 plus 5 minus 5, so it's 5. Okay. So that's great. So this
Mm,
is assignment operator. Okay.
okay.
And then if we want to write x is equal to x plus 3, suppose, so there is another way
Um,
we can write it using this one. X plus is equal to 3. So this is another way.
okay.
Okay, so here is an example. Like this is the simple way of writing the expression, and we can write it in this way also. So x plus is equal to 3. It means x is equal to x plus 3. Okay. So x is equal to x plus 3. So this is a strange way used by programming languages, but yes, we can write it. Okay. So actually it means this x is equal to x plus 3. So we can try it. So here you can see that x, we can write it this way, or we can write it this way, like x is equal to x plus 3. So this and this, these two are the same thing, okay?
I know.
Yes.
And the output will still be 8.
Yeah, so you can write this way or you can write this way. This is the same thing. And similarly, if I write here the minus sign, so this is subtraction sign or minus sign.
Yes,
So
it is subtraction.
yeah, it is subtraction. So it means it is the similar as x is equal to x minus 3, right? So these are the
Yes,
same
it's the
thing.
same.
Yeah, these are the same thing. You can write
Yes.
this way or this way, or you can write this way or this way. These are the same thing. So,
Okay.
so you can actually work with the uh, plus sign or minus sign, okay, or
Okay.
multiplication or division. Like here, you can work with the minus sign, subtraction sign, and similarly, you can use it with the multiplication, okay. So here you can also
Mhm.
see that x so this is called asterisk.
Okay.
This is called multiplication sign or asterisk. Okay. So either you can write it this way or you can write it this way. X multiply by 3. So this is the same,
Yes, I
right?
know.
Right? Okay. That's
Yes.
good. So similarly, you can actually use it with the division operator. So you can try, okay, whether you can do it this way or you can do it this way. X is equal to X divided by 3. So now I remember that we got this result and you asked that why this is so long. Okay.
Yes, I know.
Okay. So the point is these two lines have the same meanings. Okay. You can write this way or that way. Okay. That's
Yeah.
good. Okay, we are skipping some of the operators and then we are going again to comparison operators, right? So
Okay.
comparison means to compare one value with the other or compare one, I mean, a variable with the other variables. Okay. So simply we actually compare when we want to compare two values. So we use the operators that are listed here. For example, this double assignment operator means equal. Okay. So in programming languages, the sign of equal is this one. Okay. And then this is the not equal sign. This is a greater than, this is a less than, this is greater than or equal to, and this is less than or equal to. So let's try each one of these. So suppose the example is X is equal to Y. So here we can say that this operator is equal to operator. So let's try. Let's try it. Okay, so X, the value of X is 5, the value of Y is 3. So we asked it to print if it is true or false, like X is equal to Y. So X is not equal to Y, okay? So this is false. It returns false because 5 is not equal to 3, right? So what if we assign 5 to Y? So what will be the result?
The result will be true.
The result will be true.
True. Yes.
Okay. So what will be the result if we do this? Print X is equal to 5.
It's going to stay the same.
It is going to stay the same. Okay, that's right.
Yes.
So if we ask it that print if X is not equals to 5. So this is, we said sign of exclamation, okay? So when
Okay.
we put these two operators, so this means not equals. So what will be the result of this?
The result will be false.
X is not equal to 5.
No, it is equal to.
Yeah,
So it's going to come out false. Yes.
yeah, it's false. And what will be the result if we run this now when the value of Y is 2?
It's going to stay the same.
Oh,
What?
okay. We are actually telling it that X is not equal to 5.
Hmm?
But X is equal to 5 actually. So this is false. Okay, that's great.
It
Uh,
stays the same.
yeah, so we have done this one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the next one is greater than. So this is called greater than. Greater than mean is bigger than, is higher than. So let's try. So X is 5 and Y is 3 and we asked it to print if print true if X is greater than Y. So is X is greater than Y?
Is X greater than Y? Yes.
Yes. So the answer is yes. Okay. And if
No.
we put this symbol, so this is less than or shorter than. Okay.
It's
So
going to come out false.
yeah, it will be a false. And what if we say that if it is uh, so if these two are equal values and we write these operators. So this is greater than or equals. Greater than or
It's going to change. It's going to
equals.
change to true.
So it will be true if this condition is true. Any of these condition is true. I mean, if x is greater than y or if x is equal to y.
Yes, it's both.
So it's true or false.
It's true
Why it's true?
because it is equal.
Yes, because x is equal to y. So that's why it's true. Okay, that's great. So if x is greater than y, so it will also be true again. Okay. And if x is not greater than or equals y, so the answer will be false. Okay.
Yes.
And similarly, if I change the sign that x is less than or shorter than y, so the
It's
result
going to
will
come
be,
out true.
so it will be true.
Same. Yes,
It's
it will
true.
be.
Okay, that's great.
Yes,
So we have
it is
just
easy.
actually tested these two as well. So this is greater than or equal to this one. We have actually tried it, and less than or equals to, we have also tried it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. There are more operators called logical operators, right? So what are the logical operators? There are three logical operators: and, or, not. So these are very much interesting operators, okay? Logical operators. So these operators are actually used to combine conditional statements. So in this case, or in these cases, there are actually only two operands. So these are operators and x and y are operands. Okay. So
Okay.
we actually try a single condition. We try a single condition. But
Okay.
sometimes we need to actually calculate more than one conditions. I mean, two conditions maybe. Returns true if both statements are true. So there will be two actually conditions. For example, x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. So if these both
Okay.
conditions are true, then it will return true. Okay. If any of these is
Okay.
false, the result will be false. For example, let's try. So x, the value of x is 5. So x is greater than 3. Is it true? Is x is greater than
Yes, it
3?
is
Yes,
true.
it
It's
is true.
true.
So one condition is true. And now come to the second. So here is the AND operator and logical operator. And then x is less than 5. Is it true?
Correct?
So
Yes, true.
because this and this both are true, the output will be true, the result will be true. Okay.
What if one is mistake and the other one is correct?
If one is correct and the other is false, it will be false. Okay. So for example, we change it. So x is greater than 3. It's true.
Correct?
And x is greater than 10.
No.
No. So it will be false, right?
Okay.
So it is interesting in this actually example, we compared two different actually conditions. And this must be true and this must be true, and then the output will be true, otherwise it will be false. So there is
Okay.
another operator, and that is OR. In this case, either one of the conditions can be true, then it will be true. Okay. So here you can actually check that is this true? X is greater than 3?
Yes.
Yes, okay. If 1 is true, then the result will be true, right?
Yes.
Or X is less than 4, it's false.
That's wrong.
Yeah,
That's false. Yes.
okay. So it will be true if any of the condition is true. So this operator is or. Means it can be true or it can be true. One
Yeah.
should be true. Okay. So that's why this is or.
Yeah.
And then there is another operator, logical operator, and it is not. Not means it actually reverses the result. Return false if the result is true. So if it is true, it will tell us it's false. Okay.
Okay.
It will make fool. So x is 5. So we will check if x is greater than 3, it's true. And
It is true.
x is less than 10, it's also true.
Yes.
But we have asked it, oh, make fool. This is not, right?
Okay.
So it will return false.
Always.
Yeah. So these were the logical
Logical
operators,
operator.
and these are and or not, right?
Yes.